What's going on, everybody? It is Auto Auction Flips Monday. Welcome to Auto Auction Flips, brought to you by AutoAuctions.io. Right here on your screen. Check them out if you want the true history of the next car you plan to purchase, salvage or not, doesn't matter. You might be surprised. Carfax doesn't always tell the whole story. I can tell you this, AutoAuctions.io tells you exactly what you need to know because it provides the pictures. The pictures mean everything. You don't get that with Carfax. So let's check out what we got today. Today we're starting out with a 2017 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG. Sold from the insurance company 9 months ago in Hillsborough, New Jersey, and then sold 2 months ago in Los Angeles, California. Very interesting. Let's take a look at the first group of pictures here. What do you think? That doesn't look that bad to me. Definitely suspension damage. Damage to the driver's side door. A little bit of quarter damage. Oh, it's got damage on both sides, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. I don't care. I drive it anyway. You know what I mean? Alright. Yeah, she's going to need some work. Without a doubt, she's going to need some work. Alright, let's scroll down here. Obviously does not drive because it's got a wheel ripped off of it, but it does run, does have keys. Sold for $55,000. Again, this is from the insurance company. New Jersey Certificate of Title, salvage. Says it's a rollover with undercarriage damage. Estimated repair cost $97,000. Estimated retail value $144,000. Okay. Yeah, I guess I can see where it rolled over now. Yeah, you can see the pillars up here. Oh, for sure. For sure. Man, what a shame. Okay, let's take a look at the next group of pictures. All right, so now we jump into Los Angeles, California. And let's see. It looks a ton better. A ton better. Yeah, it does. All right, so it looks a hell of a lot better, but here's the interesting thing. Sales status sold at $56,000. So this was sold from a third party. They bought it for $55,000, put all this money into it, plus they paid auction fees, and they managed to get $1,000 over what they had originally paid before auction fees the first time. So, yeah, apparently something didn't go well for them. Maybe they planned on doing more to it. Maybe they found more damage, or maybe the idea was just to fix it up and make a killing on it, and it just didn't happen. Either way, I would still absolutely roll this car. Without a doubt, I would drive this car. All right, moving on. This is a 2015 Tesla Model S, and the only reason I'm showing you this is because it's a Tesla. And everybody knows Teslas are insanely expensive to get repaired, so it's fairly easy to total them, even though they are pretty expensive cars. So this is a, what is it, a P70? One of these days, I would love to get my hands on one. 12,000 miles, wow. All right. Let's scroll down and see what it says. Does not run and drive, does not start, but it does have keys. Buy it now price was $17,500. $17,500. Now, if you could find one of these that's flooded, or you could find one that is wrecked in the back, you could definitely put this thing back together for a very reasonable price. I would love a Tesla. I really would. But I think if I'm going to get a Tesla, I might as well just get the Tesla Roadster, because that's the one I think I'd really, really, really want. Either way, beautiful car. Moving on. Here we have a 2016 Infiniti QX80. This is a big SUV right here. This is a massive SUV right here. So it sold 10 months ago in North Hollywood, California. Then it sold 7 months ago in Orlando, Florida. So this is interesting. 10 months ago, it sold for $20,750 from the insurance company. And then 7 months ago, it sold for $18,000 from a third party. So someone, again, looks like they lost their behind on this one. Let's take a look at it, see what's wrong with it. What is wrong with it? Okay, it's got some scrapes on the side. Inoperable dash. That's weird. Is it a flood, maybe? Does not run and drive. Does not start. Does have keys. Salvage. California certificate of salvage title. Side damage and other damage. 5.6 liter, 32 valve V8. Rear wheel drive. Oh, look at this. 2 months ago. Sold for $12,500. That's pending. I'm going to say that since it's been 2 months ago, it's not pending anymore. That's very interesting. Okay, so let's look at 7 months ago. Nothing's... Oh, it doesn't have keys. Hold on a minute. It just did have keys. Didn't it? Yeah. Has keys. Now it's a theft. Very interesting. Maybe this thing came back. Someone bought it, was using it, and it got stolen. I don't know. That's really interesting. No, because it's sold from a third party. Mechanical damage, theft, salvage title, but this time there's no keys. That's very, very strange. Huh. Okay. It's got a busted window. I mean, what's... Again, with the inoperable dash. Someone must have stolen something out from under the hood? A computer? Very, very strange. All right. Here it is 2 months ago. Sold, it says it sold pending for $12,500. And like I said, it didn't sell. Why it's still showing pending, I'm not sure. But 2 months ago, no way. But now it had keys right here. And then in the notations down here, it says Instavin previous total loss from a dealer. So they put a window back in it. It's still got the scrapes down the side. Mileage is still inoperable. Man, I wonder what's wrong with this thing. Strange. Strange. Comment below, what do you think happened to this big boy? Last but not least, I had to show this 2016 McLaren 675 LT because I love McLarens. I really do. They are, excuse me, I'm still sick. They are just beautiful, beautiful cars. I mean, even smashed, I think it's still a beautiful car. 7,219 miles. Wow. See, I would daily drive something like that. Absolutely. Has keys, doesn't run, doesn't drive. Florida certificate of title, salvage and rebuildable, rear end and front end. Sales status active, 119,000 is the current bid. So you guys can get in on this. Yeah, you guys can get in on this. Here you go. Lot number 254-54599. This is an active auction. Yeah, somebody jump in on this and buy this. Nightcap sale, Eastern. And if you scroll down, you can see that 5 days ago, it was a relisted item. So, yeah, this is a current bid. This is active, ready to go. I wouldn't buy it because I don't have the money for it. But if I had the money, absolutely. Beautiful, beautiful car, folks. All right, folks, that's going to be it for this week's edition of your weekly auction flips. Big shout out to Nick over at autoauctions.io. Appreciate you over there for hooking us up with all of these great cars to look at. I got to get out of here, folks, because it is Monday and I have to go do your Copart walk around video for tomorrow. Stay safe out there and we will catch you very soon in the next one.